Welcome. If you're looking to manage the way your Facebook page handles profanity in posts and comments, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to show profanity on your page posts and comments using Facebook's new update, all from your PC. Whether you're a page owner, admin, or just curious about the process, this guide will help you take control of your page's content visibility. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your Facebook page. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with quick access to your pages and settings. Now, find and select the page you want to manage. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page directly. You should now be on your page's main dashboard. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option in the menu. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded list. This is where you can control all the important details about your page. On the left-hand side, find and click on Follower and Public Content. This section lets you manage how the public interacts with your page, including who can comment and what kind of content is visible. Here's the key step. Look for the option labeled Hide Posts and Comments with Profanity. By default, Facebook might have this enabled to automatically filter out offensive language. To allow posts and comments with profanity to appear on your page, simply disable this setting, and that's it. You've now adjusted your page's settings to show posts and comments with profanity. Remember, it's important to monitor your page regularly to ensure the community stays respectful and welcoming. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online presence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.